It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 28th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Much of the nation going in the ice box, but around here, our weather, the envy of the rest of the country. Temperatures slightly above average. Dry conditions to continue for a while, but a major pattern change will be taking place across North America by the end of the week and into the weekend. And we could see a return to cooler and unsettled conditions. Let's talk about it first. The almanac from yesterday, 73 for the high, 46 the low. And outside right now, here at 7 a.m., we've got mostly clear skies out there, 46 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30. Humidity, 53%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across the area this morning, 33 is the cold spot at Goldfield, but most of us here in central Phoenix are in the low and middle 40s. And if you think that's a little bit chilly, check out these temperatures across the country. Yeah, it's very cold up north, single digits. We're below zero in some spots in the Dakotas and Minnesota. And then you factor in the wind. How about wind chills down around 30 degrees below zero or so? I saw some wind chills earlier this morning when I was preparing this, about 40 to 45 below in places like Fargo, International Falls, Thief River Falls. So it is chilly, to say the least, in the northern plain states. You wonder why so many people move out here. All right, the upper air look across the country. There's our big winter storm cranking up across the nation's midsection. Around here, a northwesterly flow thanks to a high amplitude ridge that sits off the west coast. But in that northwest flow, there are these weak disturbances that will bring periods of clouds in here over the next few days. The watch warning map, we've got winter weather advisories, wind chill advisories, winter storm warnings up north, of course. But even down in the deep south, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings from Louisiana through Mississippi and Alabama. They could be seeing some snow in Tupelo, Jackson, Birmingham, Alabama. Could see up to 2 inches of snow today or tonight and into early Tuesday. And that system will continue to bring the cold air to the eastern half of the country, but not around here. Severe weather outlook for today. Most of the nation in cool, stable air, so no severe weather to worry about. And precipitation around here valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Between 1/4 and 1/2 inch here in the valley. Heavier totals out toward parts of southern and central California and up north. Could see some snow. Let's talk about the details of it as we take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Very high amplitude pattern, broad troughing over the eastern 2/3 and a big ridge nosing all the way up into the Gulf of Alaska and the Northeast Pacific, and a northwesterly flow here across Arizona. So down at the surface, that translates to mostly sunny skies today. High temperatures again, low 70s. Welcome to paradise. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening. Then we'll see increasing clouds, become mostly cloudy overnight. Lows should be in the mid-40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies. Again, mainly mid and high-level clouds. Could there be a shower across northern or eastern Arizona? I suppose. But here in the valley, we look to stay dry with high temperatures, again, upper 60s and low 70s. Wednesday, more disturbances move through the northwesterly flow. We do see another low beginning to move down the California coast that we'll have to watch. But the day on Wednesday looks, we'll call it partly sunny, and high temperatures upper 60s to about 70. Now on Thursday, all eyes will be on the Phoenix area because the Phoenix Open starts. Everybody wants to know what the weather looks like there. Well, here comes a compact little low pressure system. And this is going to bring increasing and thickening clouds through the day on Thursday. But I think the day stays dry. High temperatures upper 60s to near 70. But then by Thursday night, a decent widespread, mainly light rain event comes through here. Again, the key word light, probably only a few hundredths of an inch, maybe a tenth of an inch with this feature as it comes through. Some of the models have come up a little bit on their estimates here, but for the most part, this does not look to be a substantial system. It's fairly fast moving. So by Friday, that's out of here. Partly cloudy skies. The day looks pretty good. High temperatures, again, upper 60s to near 70. Now, as we get into the weekend, the models are coming into better agreement on the idea of a stronger trough coming through the southwest. So we'll turn mostly cloudy on Saturday. We'll see a chance of showers coming in by the afternoon. High temperatures, mid and upper 60s. The rain continues Saturday night and into early Sunday, and then we'll see decreasing clouds. High temperatures Sunday should be low to mid 60s. Then a week from today, this is Monday, the 4th of February, another low moving down the west coast. This one looks to pick up more moisture if this verifies. Still, there's some model spread and A lot can change between now and then, but if this verifies, could be another wet day, at least by Monday afternoon, certainly into Tuesday. This is the 5th of February. Still looks unsettled and cool. High temperatures likely below average, maybe near 60 or even cooler than that. Then we go out 10 days. This is the end of the period, Wednesday, the 6th of February, and that still looks unsettled with more shortwave energy moving down the west coast and a broader trough overall out here in the west as the pattern changes. Let's take a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Our warm weather will be winding down as we go toward the end of the week and into the weekend. High temperatures dipping back slightly below average, maybe 1 or 2 days, even cooler than what's shown here. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a fantastic Monday.